what do the videos show that rises to the level of a prima facie case as it relates to Zvante Sampson? No video shows when and if Zvante Sampson sees any gun possessed by anyone.
Other than the video of them getting in the car with the guns?
Not in Vehicle 1.
Vehicle 1?
No, sir.
So the shooting that was going on in the car that he was alleged to be driving, he wouldn't have known there were guns?
No, Judge, I don't think the video nor any testimony before the court would indicate that he knew that anyone in his vehicle was carrying a gun.
There were rifle and pistol rounds all up and down Hillsborough Avenue.
Judge,
at what point doesn't he know somebody in his car is hanging out of the window shooting at someone else?
The hypothesis of innocence is certainly that when the gunshots, when the gun,
I understand the state's position.
Well, Judge, when the state can't tell us when he knows. There's no evidence before you that can tell you when he knows. When you know he knows is when it happens. That's what the evidence tells you. You can speculate when he might know, but there's no evidence to that. You can have conjecture as to when he knows, but there's no evidence to that. The only evidence there is that there's an alleged muzzle shot coming from the passenger seat of that car. And no one can speculate when he knows that there is a gun or that a gun is being fired.
He drove a car that chased down another car.
And what is the evidence that would suggest that he chased down another car?
Videotape.
That he chased?
I'm not going to argue. I'm just saying what I say. I'm not trying to debate what the facts are. I'm just stating to you what I believe the facts are. You're telling me what you believe the facts aren't or what they don't prove. I understand that argument.
No, Judge. What I'm saying is what the evidence is showing is that he drove and he caught up with another car, but it doesn't indicate, and I think it's critical to understand why. There's no evidence. No, there's nothing in evidence that would suggest
there's evidence
as to why.
There's a bullet-ridden car and a dead 4-year-old. That's evidence.
Judge, I would like to think that the fact that there's a dead 4-year-old is not what the court is contemplating when it makes this decision. That's
part of the evidence of the intent. Somebody was supposed to die that night. Probably not her, but she's the one who died. When those two carloads of people drove by it at 2 different times and shot it up with pistols and rifles with no regard of human life.
Judge, I don't know if the court is suggesting that that's what the state's going to be arguing to the jury.
I'm saying what I saw when I watched these videos. My vantage point was good enough to see.